Every year, vehicle-related incidents remain one of the leading causes of occupational fatalities according to OSHA. And it's not just heavy trucks or highway collisions, it's also low-speed and utility vehicles operating in our workplaces. Golf carts, utility task vehicles, UTVs, and other similar low-speed vehicles may look harmless, but without proper training, they can quickly become hazards causing injuries, property damage, or even fatalities. That's where our low-speed and utility vehicle safety program comes in. This 11-minute training course is designed to give your team critical skills and knowledge to operate these vehicles responsibly and avoid collisions, tipping, or pedestrian harm. You'll learn how to conduct pre-operation inspections, understand vehicle limits and speed restrictions, recognize common environmental hazards, and most importantly, protect those around you. Whether you're driving across a facility or making utility runs, situational awareness is key. Our training shows you how small changes in behavior can make a big difference. Built to align with OSHA's standards and industry best practices, this training ensures your team not only stays safe but also compliant. In less than 15 minutes, you can make your workplace safer, smarter, and better prepared. Enroll today in our low-speed and utility vehicle safety course, available now at the OSHA Online Center. Click the link below and start training today.